Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is my go-to gloss that I can use pretty much every day. I like it because it can have double layers and look more intense, but also be really light, like one layer, like I'm applying right here, and look really natural and light. I love the fact that my lips feel really moisturized. I don't feel like they get dry whenever I'm wearing the lipstick. It feels really comfortable. I really, really love versatile products, and this is definitely one of them. I applied red lip liner, and on top of it, I applied this lip gloss, and it was a completely different look. How about that? I love it. And that's my point of view.